Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're here to connect with your friends, stay updated on trends, or share your thoughts with the world, this guide will help you set up and start using X like a pro. So let's dive in and start by creating an account on X. To create an account, go ahead and hit on that create account button, and in the section, go ahead and enter your name and your email in this area you want to connect to this account. You'll need to set up your birthday, so make sure that your age is above 18 years old since it is against X policies to let in minors on the platform. After that, go ahead and hit on save and hit on the next button to proceed with the next step. This section, as you can see, you'll receive a code from X. On here, you'll need to enter the code that X sent to your email. Once done, you'll need to create your password for your X account and proceed on setting up your account. And here you can simply upload your profile picture by hitting on that camera icon at the middle of this circle. Skip this for now. This section, you'll need to select your username. So you can use any available username, since if the username isn't available, you won't be able to proceed with the next step. You can also skip this since you can still change your username on X anytime you prefer, but once you have changed it, you won't be able to rechange it before 30 days. So you need to wait for 30 days or a month to be able to change your username again on Twitter, or also known as X. So as you can see, since this username is not available, this part is turning red. Now if this is available, you'll be able to find a blue or like a normal color of the username in this section, and you'll be able to proceed with the next step. So as you can see in here, this username is available. Now hit on the next button so you can set your notifications to on or off. This section, you need to select your languages, since this would be the basis of the post that you'll be able to see on your X or Twitter account. There are a plenty of selection of languages for you to select from. This section, you need to select your interests, so you need to select at least 3 of your interests to be able to proceed with the next step. So this interest would be the basis of the post that you'll be able to see on your X account's newsfeed. After that, on the next section, you'll need to select specifics under that category. So you can actually skip that part and proceed here. So you need to follow one or more accounts to proceed on setting up your X account. So go ahead and follow. Now you can download the app and sign in into your account in there, but you can also browse and use Twitter on your browser. Now, are you ready to make your voice heard? Tap the compose button and write your first post. Just like that, you're officially a part of the conversation on X. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and share your first post in the comments below.